it's Carolina Moore from 30 Minute Crafts. I'm here to share another fun craft project. So what we're going to use today is these wooden beads. These I just got at Michael's, and there's all different kinds of fun wooden bead shapes and whatnots in there. And some of them are painted and some of them are raw wood. Then we're going to use some jewelry pliers. Really, you only need a pair like this one, which has a round nose at the tip, and then it also has this cutter for chaining. Or you could have a round nose pair and a pair of cutters, and sometimes it's nice to have a little pointed or flat nose pair to help you out. Then we have our findings. And our findings will be an earring hook for each earring, and then this right here is an eye pin, and you can tell it's an eye pin because of the eye right there in it. But we're actually not going to use eye pins today, we're going to use head pins instead. And a head pin looks like this with just like the flat head on top. Okay. So I'm just going to open up our package of beads here. Look, there's these fun metal things. And I'm actually going to use these wooden hexagon beads. I guess they're hexagon beads? I'm not exactly sure. I just thought that they were super fun and geometric, so I thought I'd grab one of those for each. And then I love the gray, and then I actually love the white. And I think this is going to go for a super fun, modern looking earring. So as you can see, the holes on my beads are way bigger than my little head pins here. And even if I wanted to do the smallest bead first, it really just pulls right through, and that's not great. So there's a couple different things you could do. You could use something like these bead caps. And you could put your bead on top of there. And that's very pretty and decorative, and it also would keep that head pin in place. I'm actually going to use a little bit of a cheater method, and I have these little cone-shaped beads, and I'm going to thread the cone-shaped bead on first, and then I can put my big bead on, and now it'll just sit with that cone-shaped bead holding it in place. And it gives a little bit of extra sparkle on the bottom. So that way I can go from my biggest to my smallest. And that's what I want one of my earrings to look like. So now I want to add my rounded top. So I'm going to bend this over, then bend this back around. So I went ahead and rounded that top, and there was a little bit of extra space, so I went and tucked that in rather than clipping it off. Now adding the earring wire is very simple. I'm just going to open up the earring wire, add it to the hook, and then close the earring wire. Earring wire should always be open and closed sideways by just giving them a twist. That's one fun little wooden bead earring all done. Now I'm ready to go on to the second. And it's that simple to make yourself a pair of wooden bead earrings. They're super lightweight, they're super modern, and these are going to be so much fun to wear this summer. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for all of my crafty updates, and leave any comments below. I check for those comments and I respond.